everyone, welcome back to another Oasis quick tip video. Today we are going to learn how to use Influence in order to automate the sales account credits. For those who may not know, Influence is a method for automating the sales account credit process when specifiers are entered on a project, quote, or even an order. Influence is then determined as the percentage form of the customer rank for each customer role. This is used to show how much influence a customer will have on the job based on the rank and role assigned to that specific customer. To begin, make sure you're logged into your Oasis account and head over to the customers and make sure you stay within your customers section. Now we will go ahead and select File, Configuration. We will first need to set up our customer roles, ranks, and influence. The customer roles are the specifier type. As you can see, these are the default options. Many times these people will be your engineers, architects, or designers. If a role that you're wanting is not here, all you have to do is add it, or you can edit any of these above. Moving on, we need to assign a rank. The customer rank is the ranking of a customer's overall ability once a sales account has been assigned to a customer. These are the default settings as well. Go ahead and edit them if you wish, or you can add some. Lastly, you have your Influence tab. This tab lists the customer's roles as well as the ranks assigned to each role. Oasis will then take this information and calculate a percentage of its influence. Please be aware that you should consult with customer support before making any changes. Before we add our customer to a project, we need to make sure our rank and role is connected to a customer. To do this, navigate to the Customers page and create a new customer or open an existing one. In this example, we'll just go ahead and work from an existing customer. Once you're on the General tab, select the Specifier tab from the drop-down list below in the Customer Type field. For this example, we will use Engineer. Now we need to select the customer ranking. In this example, I'll be selecting B. In this Assign field, select the sales account that is assigned to the customer. Save and close out. Now we can move on to the Project section in Oasis. Create a project, or you can once again work from an existing one. In this example, we create one. Once all my required information is filled out, we can locate the Specifier section. We will need to find our field that we had previously selected, which in this example is our engineer. Now you'll want to select your customer. It should then auto-populate your sales account credits. Feel free to add as many sales counts as needed. So just to break down the influence and understand it a little bit better, influence is basically just a weighted average. So as you can see, the two numbers provided, I have Annie that has an influence of 50 and Charles as an influence of 30. Therefore, you would add the two influences together, 50 plus 30, which equals 80, and then divide your totals from your influence. So 50 divided by 80, which gives you your 62.5%, whereas the 30 divided by 80 equals your 37.5%. That's all for this video. I hope you all liked it and found it helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to call us at 501-843-6750 or email us at support@oasissalessoftware.com.